sika empɛ dede ampa. Ɛyɛ President John Dramani Mahama nua a yɛfrɛ no Ɔgbɔrɔ Zewuze Ibrahim Mahama wasan yɛ n'adeɛ no bio. Ibrahim Mahama ayɛ n'adeɛ no bio. Kyerɛ sɛ we're releasing a second private jet bigger than any first one. And a private jet is friend Bombardier Air French. One of the latest versions. Hey, private jet now to say wait, sikani. Money is speaking. Eh, me so me pass me. Nya who plane no pe. And I make sure picture me call Google say plane we need boy saying. Take a concern. Because person me price na me ka check Ghana nsɛmfo. Price no we say go. En ka chiro bia price no. Almost $80 million. Almost $80 million. Hey! Plane no born no. $80 million US. Hey, money. Now, I can't customize a plane also. I say the jet also and all those things. Now, when you look at the customization and stuff, you know, like I said, yeah, the total amount headed towards maybe $90 million US. And no Ghana for bebre kasa. Say eh. Now present ni ano ko that task kan na o infa. Because kaya it was under Ninia, ni brother, first 10 year. Mama 1.0 and auto sa first private jet ya or no. It even say na 1 year after did you samba power no. Strangely, was an got tofu from you. And a phone ebisa. Me the minim fi. Ya me am bisa me no me e den. Minim niche me if I tell I know something about it, I'm deceiving you. Truly so. But you and I know say sika we any baby every. Yeni. I will not even be surprised say wait me any no plain but because any no on person yen who say on no to ye as far as it's true way. Wait me possible. With those people anything is possible. Those people anything is possible. You trust them at your own risk. That's where we are. Ila. So you understand why last year, nkrofobia na omuye mining, Black Volta, nkaya, na a gold large scale, yes sir. Now upada kojin by force. When you remember that debacle, now the total value, mukaya by total value, no, $100 million US. Sasa minako echo, even Australia, and back that dispute. But still omuye Takashi inside the yeah. So I catch them say Sami Jenfia. Akwa share is our gold body. So I catch them. Say it was all planned and calculated. And to say ne, I catch them say gold body aboka. 500 million Ghana cedis. 800 million Ghana cedis. 200 million Ghana cedis. I'm just scan a coin. Sometimes when I see the way this whole game is playing out under NDC, sometimes I meet me two chairman or more. What planning ye? It is our now opposition there. What the planning you? What the planning and kasa. And most of their plans are working. Yeah, they are working. And so the poor is getting poorer. Most of them are socialists too. Under them, the poor is getting poorer. Even the middle class is being pushed into poverty. And it's sad. Because now mine were on a positive trajectory. We were. Very positive trajectory. Now, almost all the progress I am making is being reversed. Reversed. And what is more painful in this, whilst all this is happening, we find ourselves basically powerless. It means we found. It's as they are handing over authority of this nation to them for 4 years. And they are 2 years, 9 months. You have to put up with it. If you are before 2 years, 9 months, bedroom, almost onto another private jet account. I'm sure you cry. Better train. VIP train. I drew one I say, asa. Nti emayan kasa because oko kasa say most got top yacht, luxurious yacht, and we got 2 water lake so. Scarce money swine. Power is sweet. Power. It is sweet. And this no. Look, you are carrying out a project. You are establishing a beautiful and modern studio of the heart of Volta region. The news no echo into Volta region, shaking the Volta region. Accra for your money. Say Akaya ho for. The total cost 25,000 Ghana cedis. Bushan for Mumbai. Why? Akaya Bushan Bako. Number no ni. Kitchen answer. Whatever you have, we appreciate. We love you. Don't go anywhere yet. I have a beautiful conversation up next for you to listen to. Cheers. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Any competent person to appoint as a defense minister. Not that crucial ministry no edaho eyako 1 year. It's on think of. Ekuya. She John Dramani Mahama ebejina omanenim. Ama ye bonsem man se we create 1 million jobs. Oko Ghana Statistical Service omo ayi so a. Ni amunso ewo ho ne se 330,000 jobs ena John Dramani Mahama create. This is telling us that John Dramani Mahama himself is a pathological liar, a chief liar. She, my Ghana no, fire se sebi yadwini mu had na di ope en wo ye. Anipa omoba abitu corruption ase. Enti omo di ora honyom no moto wo position. Na moba bechi nkofo a omo di dwirimu die wo mani. What they did was that omo nkofo a abanda da no di omagina court. Ewo dwirimu die na bia mose moba be kun atia no. Moba ya mose omo di omo nkot na fie no omo nedi na. Na aban na dada na etwam no nkofo no de Mudia Mubesi or Mako Jina court I could disturb you on no grounds. And see John Dramani Mahama no me see a bray and a yes Methodist bishop no a baby sanes a baby sase and yansafo wa Ghana no way because Ghana here and yansafo ukuja to abrakwa no da ora no ade ye dede se ora nko a ebema Ghana 21 billion no enne omeka nkyere Ghana for amount a waje ewo ora nim afi die ono na aten general ese enyo ono na eka sa asem no enti me musa no ora no ho nsem na yo kujetos projection such an imguasia. And the John Dramani Mahama said they watumi stabilize city. Dear no destabilize city. Abanda dana osi enye na pratete no. Ene tumi peja Ghana ye gold reserve. Ye wo 8 tons. E peja mu free 8 tons. Ede kosi 30.5 tons of gold. Moba omoso mo de bia kan ma na kosi 36. Ene menemo kasei. NDC aban ene John Dramani Mahama kronfo no essay gold ye gold